how to remove your Gmail account or log out your Gmail account or Google account from other devices. Well, be it your Gmail or Google account, now it is the same basically. How you can remove from other devices, right? Now you can either directly head into Gmail and then head into particular account and then tap on Google account option there. To log out of Gmail account, you'll have to log out Google account. So this is why you will have to head into Google account settings page here, then head into security. Under security, scroll down and you shall find the option that says where you are signed in. So tap on manage all devices and you'll be able to view all the devices that your account is signed in on. So you can see 3 sessions here, 2 sessions on iPhone. All you got to do is tap on it, and once you tap on it there, you're gonna scroll down and there you shall find the option to easily log out of that particular device. So you'll have to verify first with your password or anything, then tap on sign out here. If you want to find the device, you can use find device option as well. This is how you can easily sign out your Gmail account from other devices. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe as well.